Welcome to DIY with G, the channel where we fix stuff, save cash, and occasionally question our life choices. Today, we're replacing the toilet fill valve because my upstairs toilet decided it wants to be a fountain. And instead of paying a plumber $200 for 10 minutes of work, I'm doing it myself because I like money and chaos. If anyone can, a Mexican. So first, I took the lid off and checked to see what was going on inside. And yeah, this fill valve, it's not filling. It's overachieving. Yeah, this has to go ASAP. Next, I turned off the water supply because the surprise indoor fountain was not on today's to-do list. Here's the new guy, a shiny Fluidmaster fill valve. Not sponsored, but I mean, call me. I gave it one last flush to drain the tank, then used a towel to get the rest of the water out. Glamorous, I know. Living the dream. Time to get serious. I grabbed my wrench because no DIY project is complete with at least one tool that makes you feel powerful. Then I loosened the nut connecting the water line under the tank, unscrewed the line from the old valve, and then took the whole thing out. Goodbye, loud, annoying valve. You won't be missed. I opened up the box and took the stuff out, and I took a look at the instructions. But who needs them? Let's toss them. So this is what it came with. Let's go ahead and put this together. This is the new nut, and this is the old nut. Now for the fun part. Putting the new valve in. I connected the hose to the fill valve, dropped it into the tank, and attached the hose to the drain pipe. Then I secured it from underneath with the nut. Not too tight, just snug enough to avoid future regret. Then I reconnected the water line, turned the valve back on, and waited. No leaks. Always a win in the DIY world. I waited for the tank to fill and gave it a test flush, but there wasn't enough water. Classic. So I adjusted the fill valve, tried again, and success! It flushed perfectly. Cue the victory music. And that's it. New fill valve, no plumber, and I only mildly questioned my life choices once. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to DIY with G, and let me know what I should fix or break next. Remember, if I can do it, so can you.